if Patty is going. So swollen. We're about to see. Good job.
Even the dog got some.
Good. I bet he was happy about that.
So how are you guys feeling? Anxious?
Yeah, nervous.
Yeah.
Nervous for sure.
Hurry up, huh? Hurry up and get here.
Yeah,
It's super exciting for us. I know for you guys it's probably exciting and scary because I remember being in that position.
Yeah.
Because it's the unknown and you don't know because you've never had it before, but you'll do just fine. I'm glad that you decided to do the epidural for the pain because it'll make it to me it made all the difference in not being.
It's like the Last Supper when like Jesus goes before he dies. That type of feeling.
Yeah.
Did you throw it away maybe?
No, I didn't.
There's a video? Oh, we're gonna go see if Patty is going into labor or not. We suspect that it might be, but they might send us home. But either way, it's exciting. It's very scary. Well, not scary, just nerve-wracking.
가자.
Gotcha. On our way, we'll go see what the doctors have to say. Did you lose liquid today?
No.
So on Wednesday, my bed maybe. Her hands are swollen.
It's not really working.
Yeah, it's just Tylenol basically. Ok.
Col s'ouvre.
Ok,
D'accord.
bien sûr. Merci beaucoup.
De rien.
She's strong. Like Richard Halibigi, like yeah, really like worried and like yeah, if he was here now, he would definitely be talking to the nurses and doctors to make sure you're okay and making sure everything is gonna go well. There's a lucky in there. Oh, here it goes, another contraction. It looks exactly like a basketball. You're doing a good job to keep breathing, honey. Good job. And now we're in the morning right now. You've been really strong. Hari waiting for the labor, active labor to begin. This is where Lucky will go. And I guess this is where they will weigh him. They have her in a sitting position. Kind of looks like Buddha. Lucky will be here soon. Definitely.
And why did you come in France?
I'm a student, master student.
Can I examine it you again to see the difference? Thank you. Oh, the blood pressure is upper, very good.
Que le bébé descende tout seul.
Okay.
Okay?
So she said at 10 centimeters, that's when we can begin to push. It's moving little by little, but it's moving, so that's good.
Ok. Comment?
Don't. Squeeze your hand. Keep breathing.
How many do you give to your pain? Your baby is pushing and it's going to, it's good.
It's a good sign. Like, can you massage your hand? Breathe. Oh, this is epidural. Let's see. Reach for spray.
Push on the button.
Que maintenant, elle ressent.
We're about to see our Lucky. All of Hari's hard work is about to come to an end. I will make sure that you don't have to lift anything heavy again. Do you want a little bit of water? I don't know when you'll have water next. Probably be hard and it's probably gonna hurt. But you have me here with you, and you have the staff here who know what they're doing. Everything's gonna be okay, and we'll have Lucky here really soon. Breathe.
We are coming, okay? It's your moment. You
Yes.
too, okay?
Okay, good
So
job.
we try the position I told you.
Bien sentir.
It's a girl or a boy?
It will be a boy.
A boy. Oh, je suis trop grande, moi. Bien.
You take a lot of care and then
Push.
you push.
Allez. Allez.
Keep your hair.
Hold your breath.
Allez,
honey.
ouais.
You can put your hands here. You can like this.
Également? Ok. I go. I go. Again. Yes. Good. Again.
Second
Yes.
time
Good,
the
good,
contraction. Yes.
Yes. Again. Go.
Go. We
Push.
keep. We
Hold your-
continue.
Hold
okay?
your breath. You can see the hair? Oh. Is it red? I'm worried it's gonna be red. My grandfather has red hair.
I don't think so.
Not that there's anything wrong with that, but.
Bétadine. Like this.
Yeah. Oh là là, j'espère que non.
Si, je mets de la bétadine. Allez, go, go. Yes, yes. Okay, good. Very good. Okay.
One more time, keep pushing.
Ouais.
One more time. Here we go, honey.
Allez, go.
Go, go.
Ouais. Allez, 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 encore, 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 encore,
Keep
encore.
going,
Oui.
keep going, keep going, keep going.
Bravo. Good. And you relax.
Take a rest.
Normally.
Breathe normally.
Okay, go.
Push, push.
Allez.
Push,
Yes.
push.
Yes, go, 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 go
Good,
again.
good. Keep pushing.
Yes.
Keep going.
Flip. Again.
Go, go, go. Push.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, 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 go, go,
Keep
go,
going,
go,
keep
go,
going,
go,
keep pushing,
go,
keep
go,
pushing.
go.
Breathe.
I'm
Ready, go. Push,
Let's
push,
go,
push.
go.
Push, push, push.
Continue. Encore again.
The more you
Keep
can.
going, keep going.
Vous vous débrouillez très bien. Vous y arrivez.
You're doing a good job. He's coming. And breathe.
Okay.
Push,
Yes.
push, push,
Allez,
push.
go.
Push,
Yes.
push, push. Keep
Go, go,
going.
go, go, go.
Good job.
Yes, oui, on sent vraiment la différence. C'est très très bien. Allez, continue.
Good, good,
Encore.
keep pushing,
Okay.
keep pushing.
Go, 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 go.
Super, madame.
Breathe.
Yes.
Push, push.
Allez, okay.
Good job, honey.
Ouais, yes, yes, yes. Go, go, go,
Good,
go,
good,
go,
good.
go. Encore,
Good,
encore,
good, good.
encore,
Keep going,
encore,
keep
encore.
going.
Souffle.
Breathe.
Allez.
And again, push,
Yes.
push, push.
Go,
With
go,
all
go,
your
go,
might.
go.
The more you can. Yes, very good. You see this
Ah.
of his head.
Ah oui, oui,
Et
oui.
c'est vraiment ce mouvement de balancer. Ça va. Ça-
So in the beginning, you're going to push, and then when you're not pushing, the baby will come back a little. But the more you push, the longer it goes, the less back he will go until eventually,
Pas trop. Pas
but
trop
not
relever.
too much.
Ah.
Yes.
Push, push,
Yes.
push, push.
Ouais, go. Ouais.
Big effort,
Very
keep
good.
pushing. Good job.
Bravo. Yes.
Good job.
Moi.
And here we go.
Allez,
Go.
One more time.
Allez. Go, 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 go,
Push,
go,
you're
go,
doing a
go,
good
go.
job.
Yes, yes.
Continue.
Go, 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 go.
Très, très
Keep
bien.
pushing.
Good. Tu es là.
Relax, relax.
And third
One more
time.
time. Here we go. Breathe. Big breath. And push, 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 push. Relax.
Moi,
Relax.
j'observe. D'accord.
Ça marche.
You've done a really good job, honey. It'll be over as soon. It'll be over soon. C'est pas comme des films. Push hard, honey.
Yes.
Push. Here we go. Okay.
Allez.
And here we go.
Yes.
Push,
Very
push, push.
good.
Allez, voilà. Bravo.
You're doing a good job, honey.
Do you want to touch his head?
After.
Allez.
Allez, go.
Push, push, push.
Okay, good.
Keep going.
Yes.
Keep going.
Allez.
Keep a little break.
Ok. Yes, oui.
Go, 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 go.
Super.
Push, 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 push.
Très, très bien.
Yes.
Alors, là, elle l'a bien senti. Donc, elle le sent, le bébé.
Oui.
Il est arrivé, il ne remonte quasiment plus. Il fait plus ça.
Okay. Good.
Très, très peu.
So it's nearly the end,
Almost
okay?
the end. You're
In a
doing
few
really good job.
minutes, big hug.
You're almost there, puppy. You're doing so good.
Welcome your baby.
It's coming. You can try to.
Ok.
Okay. Take a breath. And push, push, push. Breathe, breathe, breathe. And here we go. Push, push, push. Keep going. Good job.
Relax.
Very good.
Quand tu lui as expliqué, quand il y a un moment donné, on va demander d'arrêter de pousser. On va dire stop.
Okay.
So again. Stop.
Or slowly, or okay?
You can do it.
Stop.
Stop.
Ok. Stop. You relax.
Relax.
Non, moins.
Oh,
Ouais, moins, pour
fort.
l'instant,
Okay.
un peu moins fort.
Okay. Push. Next time you push, a little less strong. Here we go. Oh.
You can push forward. Relax.
Push. You're doing good.
Stop. Push. Elle peut stop.
Breathe.
Okay, good.
Congratulations.
Ok. Hello, baby. Bonjour. Alors, t'es un petit peu étonnée ou pas? Bonjour, toi. Un petit peu les yeux ou pas? Alors, ouais. Vous voulez couper le cordon, monsieur, ou pas?
C'est ça. On ne peut pas lui donner en stérique.
우리 아들.
C'est un petit garçon.
Oui.
Comment il s'appelle?
Théo.
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 C'est beau, Théo.
Bravo, bravo, bravo.
Merci
Vous avez,
beaucoup.
Madame, vous avez pissé. Very good.
Merci. Merci tout le monde.
Et monsieur aussi.
Elle a un super coach.
Oh no, no.
Teamwork.
I didn't do anything.
Là, il reste 2 heures sur maman.
T'as
Okay.
senti le-
It's going to stay for 2 hours on you.
Elle s'engage
Lakia.
en tournant.
Ouais, il t'attend de la
C'est vrai. It's really my baby.
C'était quoi? Je lui dis un truc, si là je
I'm so proud of you. It's okay.
Peut-être qu'on en
Oh. Oh. 안녕. Théoya.
Il a des bonnes joues.
Oui. He has good cheeks. Yeah.
T'as bien mangé?
il faut aussi le voir en pratique pour comprendre et l'analyser. Donc là, le plus important, c'est que le nez collé au féminin, que tu aies compris ce qui soit passé. Que la fois suivante, tu vas et après, c'est sûr que nous, dès qu'il y a un petit... on intervient.
Oui, mais quand je serai diplômée, c'est bien d'avoir
Lucky. 안녕. Finally opening his eyes. She's examining you, taking a
There
look
is
at.
the placenta, okay?
Yes, the placenta. It's time for that.
You can push for the placenta?
Push for the placenta. Push
Slowly, hein.
slowly. Push.
Mister, the placenta, how do you say it in English?
Placenta. C'est typiquement le cas en France, français et anglais.
Il y a beaucoup de choses comme ça.
You want to see?
This is what was.
This is the...
Attends.
This is what was.
Parce que c'est bien, alors c'est
The-
super
the
de montrer. On va d'abord on regarde.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Elle a
C'est
dit.
le placenta.
It's what was keeping Theo alive.
C'est comment on appelle ça, le frigidaire?
Yes.
frigo.
Et
Le garde-manger, c'est le garde-manger du bébé, c'est le poumon du bébé. Alors tout à l'heure on n'a pas fait ça en salle, lecture, parce que on s'est très vite aperçu que tous les
Finally
placentas,
here.
presque, on doit vérifier que tout est là. Ok. Donc on voit qu'il nous.
how are you feeling?
Il faut faire gaffe, c'est que de temps en temps, quand tu fais un point de deux, c'est
Pain 없어? Hey baby. Hey Theo.
Ouais, ça va. Je vais peut-être te demander un deuxième.
Theo. It's your dad. Yeah, you got some chubby cheeks. You got them chubby cheeks. Yeah. You're cute. You're definitely cute. Oh, you could get infected. This is the world.
You're 진짜 my baby.
Il a bien mangé.
Super. Par contre, n'hésitez pas à bien couvrir.
Are babies normally that hairy?
Yes, it's because of.
I know you're gonna laugh at me, but I've never felt happy like this before. This type of happy, I can't even describe it. I really can't describe the feeling. Tears of joy. Tears of joy, my boy. Tears of joy. 지금?
Just him.
알았다.